How to download all photos in Telegram group. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you a method with which you can export all the videos and photos from your Telegram group. So let's get started. Now the method I'm going to be using is very simple and very easy, and you can use it on any group you want. So first things first, open up your Telegram app and go to any group. For example, let's take this chat for example. You can do this on the group as well. Then what you want to do is on the chat, what you want to do is click on these three buttons, and then you want to just simply click on export chat history right here. What this will allow you to do is this will allow you to export all the photos or videos, voice messages, stickers, gifs, whatever you want. You can export them, and you can select all the things that you want and all the things that you don't want. So let's say we want the photos and videos and maybe even video messages, right? Then we'll just increase the limit so that there is no limit of the size. And then what we want to do is we just want to click on export. The path is right over here. You can just simply choose the path you want. You can save it somewhere else. Click on downloads, create a new folder, Telegram, and then just simply select the folder and click on save. And then from old messages to present, you can choose whichever type of thing you want to say. You can choose the date of when to when, and then just simply click on export, and then it will export all of your data, all the messages or photos or videos to there. If you get this type of message, it basically says come back after a couple of hours and your data will be extracted. So it's okay. It doesn't really matter. But with this method, you can download all the photos and videos from any Telegram group. So that is it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care and goodbye.